And now we're going to talk about traying our vegetable tray. You notice we have the same tray in our other series, and it's always great for putting your dip. And you start off with plating your zucchini. Nice little row, and take your carrots. You're going to mix up the colors some. And depending on your presentation, have all the same cuts going the same way. It's completely up to you. No need to get real fancy. It's just a vegetable tray. But you can still make it look classy. Now after we've done the carrots, we're going to go ahead and grab the cucumbers. You lay them in a similar fashion as we did the zucchini. Make one row going all the way across. You can actually double layer these if you want to. It's up to you, depending on how many trays and how much space you have. And now we're going to put our squash on there. And try to keep the colors separated. We've got our green, our orange, our green, our yellow, and now green again with our broccoli florets. Go ahead and fill the rest in with a little broccoli. Another easy finger food you can use. Just fill it in. Now you want to take the piece of celery and just fill in all the edges. Follow the same curved pattern. Now you just want to take some ranch or blue cheese dressing. Just pour that right into the little bowl, and there you go. You got a vegetable tray.